Welcome guys, tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable quick launch on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down to the system option, where we have to click on gestures. And right here we have to quickly open camera option. To turn it on, we have to just click on this button like this. And now look, to quickly open camera, press the power button twice. So when we press our power button twice, here is our camera. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!